This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. To start, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then amongst the quick panel access tiles, find the icon that says nearby share, then touch and hold at it. Then in order to activate this feature, simply toggle on this switch. And from here, you can rename the device if you want to. You can control and manage your device visibility, as well as change the data type or network type that will be used for the file transfer. Once everything is set up and ready to be used, you can obviously start using the feature. So now I'll test it out and try sending the screenshot I've just took from my Nokia phone to my Xiaomi through the nearby share, and see how well it works and how well it performs in general. So it seems like the transfer didn't go through the first time, so let me try once again. And as you can see, the screenshot was both sent and received successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.